Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta wing mirror. First, you will need to gather a few essential tools. Make sure you have a trim removal tool, a suitable screwdriver, and your brand new replacement wing mirror. It is crucial to confirm the new mirror is the correct fit for your specific Ford Fiesta model. Always work in a well-lit area with the ignition off for safety. Now, let's get that old mirror off. Begin by carefully prying away the interior door trim panel. A plastic trim removal tool works best to avoid any damage. Once the panel is loose, you will see the electrical connector for the mirror. Disconnect this. Next, locate and unscrew the 3 retaining bolts holding the mirror in place. With those bolts removed, you can gently take the old, damaged wing mirror away from the door. With the old mirror removed, it is time to install your shiny new one. Carefully align the new wing mirror assembly with the 3 mounting holes on the door frame. Once aligned, insert and firmly tighten the 3 retaining bolts to secure it in place. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror's connector. Double-check that all connections are snug and properly seated to ensure full functionality. Almost done? Now, carefully reattach the interior door trim panel. Make sure all the clips snap securely into their positions for a flush finish. With the trim back on, turn on your vehicle's ignition. Test the new wing mirror's electrical adjustments to ensure the mirror glass moves correctly in all directions. Also, confirm any integrated turn signals or heating elements are functioning properly. You have successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta wing mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.